All right, what's up? I'm back. This is Icy, and we have the test net for the Zen crypto NFTs, aka the XENFTs. All right, so you can go on Twitter under Jack Levin's Twitter account. I'll post a link in the description as well. And then tomorrow, we're gonna follow up with that drip content. So make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the like button. Also, check out the new miner, 10BNB, on my YouTube channel. If you want to get into something high risk, again, no, not financial advice. I'm not suggesting you do anything, but I'm showing you what I did. 20% a day. All right, so Zen crypto NFTs or XenFTs basically is going to allow you to lock up multiple C ranks or multiple mints into one NFT and then store those mints for multiple days. So for example, if you have 10, let's say you have 10 mints over the course of the next year, 10 different accounts. You can you can lock all those up under one wallet into an NFT. You know? So how this one has one VMU, which I believe stands for virtual machine unit, and virtual mint unit, I believe. Virtual mint unit. And basically it's like a virtual wallet minted by the smart contract from what I remember. We're going to go look at it as well. So, you can combine multiple NFTs. I mean, you can combine multiple C ranks under one NFT and then mint that for multiple days. So that's going to solve a few pain points that people have with the Zen project. One, people complain about bots. Now let's be clear. After this problem gets solved, people are going to find something else to complain about. That's just what's going to happen. So if you are pro this project, please don't waste time arguing with people in comment sections. It's a waste of time, because then they're going to find something else that they're going to argue about the gas fees still. They're going to argue about something, because basically it's not what they're saying, it's what they're not saying. And through that argument or back and forth, you can figure out what the pain point is. That's if you have the patience for that and you care enough to do it. I don't, you know what I'm saying? So let's go over to the testnet.xen.network and make sure you're on the goerli testnet or the goerli chain, but it's going to be on the testnet, right? So here's the one I just showed you that I have. If we click on it, it's going to take you to OpenSea, and then you can view the properties. All right. You can view the properties. You can view the percentages on how rare said NFT is. And this is testnet. So basically the full version is going to be something like this, or pretty much the same thing. So VMU count. Let's just say we have, VMU stands for virtual minting unit. As I mentioned before, it's a virtual wallet created by the smart contract and controlled by you through the same contract. No one has the keys to these wallets. Access to them is controlled by XenFT that you receive. Actual possible count of VMUs is determined by the network block gas limit. All right. So let's say we got 10 and we want to do 100 days. We're gonna mint this NFT. You can get gas from the faucet, but it's like a test faucet. I can't remember where I got it. I got it from somewhere, and I can't remember where I got it from. But when you do more, it's going to increase, because you guys can't see this on the MetaMask, but it's going to increase the amount of gas. All right, so I'm waiting for this to update. I'm going to click confirm. And I believe I got the gas, so it should go through and everything should be good. But this is going to solve that problem for people who complain about robots And it's going to also solve that problem for people who complain about the time. So time is going to be drastically decreased. And for people saying, oh yeah, there's guys minting thousands of wallets and they're using robots. Well, Jack would say something similar to the tune of, well, you still got to pay gas. Which means a human has to do it because a robot can't come through and pay the gas. Which means it still counts as humans having different wallets. Now, someone might say, okay, well, I don't have the time to compete with those robots. Well, now you do. Because we simplified the process that it takes for you to mint multiple wallets, right? So those two things that people were complaining about, now they're going to find something else. Because again, remember, it's not what they're saying, it's what they're not saying. And what they're not saying is an emotional pain point geared to most likely another project. All right. So as you can see, we got 10 VMUs right here. Let's click on it. It's going to take us to OpenSea. And as you can see, we have 100 days. If you look at the C rate on this particular NFT, you'll notice that it's 29,490 through 29,499. You see how that works? So you can take a bulk of your single mints, pair those to one NFT, and then schedule them out for multiple days. Now, another pain point where people will talk about, oh, I didn't get in at the beginning. Now here's your chance to get in at the beginning. You know, as far as this NFT thing is concerned, the AMP and all that stuff is still going to be different based on the time that went by. But you can stay for longer days because that's really the key anyway. And you can have, because that's what I'm going to use. So for people who are unorganized like myself, you don't have to think about, okay, I got to do one on the 30th. I got to do one 6 months from now at 8 o'clock in the morning. I got to do one 9 months from now at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Like, you don't have to do all that. So solving multiple problems. And shouts out to Jack and the team for coming up with stuff like this. Because this is just the beginning. Xen has not been out for a month yet. So if you're interested in this project or you have pain points, you want to test this stuff out, I'll have a link in the description. If I don't, go to Jack Levin's Twitter account and you'll find that link, that the same link I clicked to get to here and figure all this out. Or to get to here, I should say. You'll find that. All right. And when you click on your particular NFT, it's going to take you over to OpenSea. You know. So yeah, man. That's going to be it. If there's a good chance I explained something incorrectly, feel free to correct me in the comment section. And anyone attempting to start a back and forth about this project, I'm not interested at this current time. So you will not get that energy out of me. Other than that, please press the like button. Subscribe to the like button. And like the subscribe button. It's your boy Icy. And I'll see you guys on the next video.